Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Sunnyside Acura in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have this 2017 Acura NSX. Now this is one of Acura's cars, kind of tours the area. Of course, certain Acura dealers are in certain zones. This specific one is number 6, one of the very first ones of the production run. As you can tell, it's registered in California. It's a pretty cool car. This one has the carbon fiber exterior pack, comes with this beautiful carbon fiber roof, as well as front lip spoiler here. Nice Alcantara inserts, but let's go for a drive. This is what the car's meant to do. We have Bob here from Sunnyside Acura.
Hello.
He's come along for the ride, unless, in case I forget stuff and I need someone to talk to and ask questions. So, first thing you'll notice, visibility is awesome. It really is a phenomenal car, and I will talk to you here. So, you said you've driven this all the way back from New Jersey to New Hampshire, and perfectly fine car to drive.
Yes, Google Maps says it's a 6-hour drive. Usually takes about 7.5 hours. I'm 6'3", and it's a phenomenal car to drive, even at that distance.
Oh yeah, it's just amazing. One thing I love doing is supercar visors. They're always so quirky and fun. Like, does yours have a vanity mirror? Nope. Oh, I love that.
You don't have to look good when you drive a car like that.
That's what the car's for. I go D1, I'll do normal drive at first, then we'll go to paddles. And then, as we were talking about, this is a 9-speed dual clutch transmission. I think probably the most amount of gear ratios in a dual clutch. I love turbos. This one does have the carbon ceramic brakes, of course an optional extra. So if you hear any squeaking, carbon ceramic brakes. If you've been around supercars, you know that high performance brakes squeak. Even the Brembos on my car will squeak. Some people might think it's annoying. I actually love the sound because you know that you spent money on a fast car. One thing you'll notice, I don't know how well this comes across on camera, but it's just an easy car, comfortable car to drive around town. It can be an everyday supercar. That's the other thing, you'll get a lot of attention. Especially in areas, around New England, there's not a lot of areas where supercars are pretty common. Except for Connecticut. Gap. Oh man, I love fast cars. those numbers creep up so fast too. It's like you're like, oh, comfortable car, and then you look down and you're like, oh, that's a little bit too fast. It's just so willing to do it too. It's, you know, you don't feel like you're stressing the car out. It's just built to do it. Yeah, this can cruise along, get great gas mileage too. That's awesome. And of course, at the end of the day, it is a hybrid. It just doesn't look like a Prius, and it doesn't drive like one either. If I owned one of these, I'd say to people, oh yeah, I bought a hybrid, an Acura hybrid. I'd be like, oh, that's cool, you save the environment. Yeah, it has 570 horsepower, you know, it's 573. I could drive this every day. Do you guys do leasing options on these, or, you know, 255-month financing?
We don't have too many folks that lease the NSX. We did offer a lease when they first came out, and I think it's generally 5,000 miles a year, which is usually what people put on these type of cars.
Absolutely.
In the summer season, I think it was around, for the base model, I think it was around $19.95 a month or something like that.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad at all, honestly. Bob, thank you so much. This is awesome. Thank you so much to Sunnyside Acura, of course. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.